Are you looking for some woodworking projects to try out? In this video, we'll explore a variety of exciting and creative woodworking projects that you can easily tackle. One interesting project is building a wooden coffee table. You'll learn how to measure and cut the wood, assemble the pieces, and create a beautiful and functional piece of furniture. Another project idea is making a wooden cutting board. You'll discover the techniques to choose the right wood, shape and sand it, and apply a food-safe finish for a stylish and practical kitchen accessory. If you're up for a challenge, try building a wooden bookshelf. You'll follow step-by-step instructions to create a sturdy and visually appealing bookshelf that will showcase your favorite books and decorative items. For those who enjoy outdoor projects, building a wooden planter box is a fantastic option. You'll learn how to cut and assemble the wood, create drainage holes, and plant beautiful flowers or herbs. Next, we have a project that combines woodworking and creativity, making a wooden picture frame. You'll discover the techniques to measure and cut the wood, assemble the frame, and display your favorite photos or artwork. If you're interested in smaller projects, making wooden coasters is a fun and practical choice. You'll learn how to shape and sand the wood, apply a protective finish, and have stylish coasters for your drinks. Lastly, let's explore the art of wood carving. You'll discover the tools and techniques to create intricate designs on wood, whether it's a decorative sculpture or a personalized sign.